Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Rise allocation from Sunrise layer to your MEXC wallet. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Sunrise airdrop campaign and you got the airdrop. So as you can see on the screen, Sunrise is going to be listed on MEXC on the 27th of August 2025 at 15 UTC. So that is 3 p.m. UTC tomorrow. So those of you that participated in the campaign, Sunrise is going to be listed on MEXC tomorrow at 15 UTC. So MEXC is the only exchange that is going to list this project. So what you don't need to do is to visit this site. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video or anywhere you're going to see the link, be it on X or a YouTube channel. Check the description of this video for the link, and you can check my post on X or the link as well, even my Telegram group. So what you don't need to do now is to visit this site, app.sunriselayer.io. Now you click on connect wallet, select your Kepler wallet or your Leap wallet or the wallet you're using participating in the campaign. So you just need to click on the wallet. So I've already connected my Kepler wallet. Alright, so you're going to see your Sunrise allocation here. So this is where you're going to see your Sunrise allocation. So what you just need to do is to click on USD Rise converter. Alright guys, so what you need to do is to convert some amount of Rise to the USD Rise, as you can see on the screen. So you can read this. So convert this amount to this USD Rise. The eligibility and condition, you can see it here. So for now, the only people that can get their Sunrise allocation are those that participated in the testnet campaign. So if you know you got Sunrise through buying of the NFT staking, or I don't know of pre-sale, if they have released, those of you that participated in the pre-sale, I don't know. But if you are able to withdraw your Sunrise now, this is what you need to do. So you need to visit the Sunrise website, then you click on convert. So you click on convert USDT, blah blah blah. So you wait for it to process. This is going to pop up. So what you need to do now is you just click on send request. Wait for it to process, as you can see on the screen. So one thing I don't know about this project is the project is giving me the vibes that they don't even know what they are building. I wonder why USD Rise is going to be the gas fee if you want to make transaction for Rise, and according to them this is a layer 1 project. So the game is the game, guys. No church in the white, no cry in the casino. So any amount you see, you just need to grab it and move on. If you wish to stake, fine. Anything you wish to do with your Rise, you can do with it. But this project is not a serious project to me. Alright guys, so back to business, like I was saying. So we have converted the Rise and the rest. So now what you don't need to do now is to visit your Kepler wallet. Visit your Kepler wallet or your Leap wallet or any of the wallets. Just click on deposits, search for Rise or Sunrise. You see. Alright, so you're going to see it here. So this is the Sunrise. Yeah, this is the Sunrise. You just click on it. Alright, so you click on it, you're going to see your Rise allocation. Yeah, so even without even searching for it, maybe you're going to see your Rise allocation. So now what you need to do is click on it, then click on send. So you just need to visit your MEXC wallet. So visit your MEXC wallet, as you can see on the screen. Alright guys, so what you need to do is to click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, is to click on deposit, click on on-chain deposit, then you search for Rise. Search for Rise. You're going to see Sunrise layer here. So wait for it to process. You click on select network. So this is the network here, blah blah blah. Already selected. Now what you need to do is copy this address. Then you paste the address here. After I paste the address, just click on marks. Then no need for memo. So you don't need memo to send. They are going to send you this amount of USD Rise. So they are going to charge from USD Rise instead of Sunrise. It's only them that know what they are building. Sure. So you just click on next. click on it, then you wait for it to process, then you click on approve. Okay, so looking on the screen, TX is pending, wait a second. Okay, so let's wait for it to process. Okay, so looking on the screen, transaction successful. So just wait for it for some time for it to enter your MEXC wallet. So according to them, it's going to take like 3 minutes, 4 seconds for it to arrive. So just make sure to observe if it has entered your wallet. Alright guys, so as you can see on the screen, you are going to see my sunrise is processing. So it's going to take like 30 confirmation before it is going to arrive. So this is how you can withdraw your sunrise allocation from your dashboard to your Kepler wallet, then to your MEXC wallet, pending the listing time tomorrow. So this is for those of you that want to convert your sunrise allocation as quick as possible. All right guys, so what do you think about this? So it's not hard, very simple. It's not hard, very simple guys. What do you think about this? So what's your price prediction for sunrise? So my price prediction for sunrise is between 0.08 to $0.1. So that's my price prediction. But I know this, maybe this project is going to go down because this project decided to list on only MEXC. So there are different red flags in this project, but we all need to move on, guys. According to Kanye, no church in the wild. So there's no cry in the casino. Get your allocation, get anything they are going to give you, use it to touch grass, then we move. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.